DIY coating preparation. Want to do your own car coating at home? It's easier than you think. And yes, you can get results just like a professional shop. Don't tell people I say this. Okay, let's see what we have in the DIY coating kit. Number 1, IPA cleaner for degreasing. Number 2, ceramic coating. Number 3, Clearview coating for all the glasses. Number 4, gloss guard, a booster for long-term maintenance. Coating block, coating suite, coating tissue, microfiber towels, and nitrile gloves. And this is the Hero crystallized ceramic coating, specially formulated for the hot and humid Malaysian weather.
What is the most important step before coating?
Make sure your car is super clean. Give it a full wash and dry completely. No water, no dust, and no shortcuts.
Do I need to polish?
Not really. If your car is new, or if the paintwork is still in good shape, then you can skip polishing.
If the paint is dull or got swirl marks?
Then yes, a polish will help to get better coating result.
Can you share some tips?
Tip number 1. Fold the microfiber towel in half, twice. That gives you 8 clean sides to use. Once one side gets dirty, just flip to another clean side. Tip number 2. Always get the coating bottle right after use. Tip number 3. Use dot dab method to apply coating onto the applicator. Tip number 4. Work on 2 square feet at a time using a cross-hatch pattern. Left, right, up, down, and make sure every inch is evenly coated. Remember this flow in every step you do. Roof, front, left side, rear, right side. This system keeps things organized and efficient. Tip number 6. After every step, inspect carefully. If you see haze or leftover residue, buff it off. Make sure that you get that crystal clear and mirror-like finishing. Okay, once your car is clean and dry, let's move on to step 1, degreasing.